Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. My name is Omar, I am the leader of Delta Group. And today in our presentation, we are going to talk about Grab Innovation Life Cycle. Grab found in 2012 and the name was My Taxi. It started as a safe taxi booking app and now transformed into a super app provides several services such as food, transportation, and payments. Our project analyzed Grab's innovation journey by using Christensen's model. And why we choose Grab because it is a great example of Christensen's model. It transformed the taxi and delivery industry. In our presentation, we have two parts. Part one, we will show you our research poster mapping Grab's growth, and the second part, we will demonstrate our Grab Ride Fare Calculator program, which is made by C++. Each member of the group worked on a particular part of the code. We are a team of 5 members, Abdullah the research analyst and Muhammad the poster designer, and we have Alauddin and Ryan as programmers and me as a leader of the group. And now I am pleased to hand over to Abdullah, our research analyst.
Thank you, Omar. My role was researching Grab's history and applying the disruptive innovation model. Grab started as my taxi in 2012, solving critical transportation problem in Southeast Asia. It perfectly follows consistency model by creating new markets rather than competing in existing ones. And I helped uh, my friend to write the code for our program. Now it's Muhammad's turn, our visual designer.
Thank you, Abdullah, and welcome, guys, to my explanation. My responsibility was to transforming the research into model or graph design to show that the comparing between Grab and the normal technology companies in the last years. As you can see here in the graph, we have the yellow line, which is show the growthing for the technology companies and comparing with Grab increasing last years. You can say the beginning start in 2012 with the Grab, which was My Taxi. Then in 2014, it was a new part of the company which called Grab Car. Then they start in 2017 Grab Pay until 2025 when they start their new part of their company, which is Grab Travel and Grab Health, which is a very good increasing for a new company comparing with the normal company, or we can say the old company in the same major. And here we have another model and another design show the timeline for Grab increasing and Grab develop, and show each year which was the high increasing and what they open or they start in their company, and a bit explanation for each part of their company. This was my part, and now I can just let my friend Ryan start explain our interactive system. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mohammed. Your design gave us a very good idea. It helped us to think about how our program should work, and I am the UI programmer, and I made a simple and clear screen. This screen makes it easy for people to check files and understand how it's work. So now we will show our program in action live. So like we see here, this is the code for our program. So here we put run. And here we can choose if you want economy or if you want prime. So maybe I want economy. So I just press 1. So now here we write the kilometer. So maybe 100 kilometer. So now we will see the price. It's 128 ringgit. So this is for all for my part. Now I will give to Alauddin. He worked in the economy fries and will explain this part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Alati. Thank you, Ryan. In this project, I worked as the economy calculation specialist. My main responsibility was to build the pricing system. I created an algorithm that calculation the right fees in the way that both accurate and affordable. This means that whenever a passenger books a ride, the price they see in is calculated fairly, based on Grab real business model. My goal was to make the process clear, reliable, and easy to use for both the company and the customers. Another important point is how our team worked together. If you look at our GitHub comment history, you can clearly see that contribution of every single member. This shows the project was not done by one person alone, but through real teamwork. Each person added their own part, and together we built a strong and better system. This calculation is what made our final results simple and professional. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, everybody. This is the end of our presentation. I'm going to summarize the most important points. We created a poster explaining Grab's innovation using Christensen's model and developed a C++ program, Grab Fare Calculator with clear team rule vision, and presented our work through video and a final report combining theory and practical. Thank you for your attention.